ni Dabali.
Iyo.
Vela samaki.
Right.
Kaya kala binakan ni do tu ira na kadara no de tiko.
Right.
Kita sama ita kata tu ya.
Iyo.
Kina ira na durbo, ira do tu bina korso so bina kasi.
Iyo.
Na kaya do taka mo ko kito taka mo kito drama taka singo.
Drama.
Kakito.
Gusto rin drama mo?
Iyo.
Gua kanjin mo.
Anjing mo balatan ni chungo ko ira kaya tu.
Iyo.
Bang anggor to menando nga iya sabi loso.
Alam ka mala?
Ya ko sabi wali.
Iya.
Oy.
Sabi wali ano na kami ko ndoro kanda.
Iyo.
Sar chuma na matago kami kami kanda rumada. Belek tak sur page. Oh, turun lights. Gori. Very good morning to Turhanita Melina Adalev, Sabachuan Matali Bengrabico, and also to John Kumar, bro.
Bulunaka.
Barara Valley Road in
Singa Tokyo. Hey. Demsa. Just explain to the people.
Yeah.
We've been we noticed that you every now and then you go outside. What happened?
Who's?
You.
Yeah, that's a healthy of a person to live in this world.
Okay.
You need to saturate it to
Right.
become a wealthy person.
Yeah.
In order to become a wealth, you need a health.
Okay.
Robert Matias, mula menaka.
Right.
Happy good day, mate. I'm Zerne.
Senga iko ko ro sumisar ne.
Oi.
Teksa ana benaka mataka benang ni ko.
Right.
Na benua rokan taon duo me bono lewu.
Right.
Kaya nano mo rin man
Kaya baka isa ka na way nunung ang guro mo.
The green land in the Vanuatu is the Vanuatu Island. I want to tell you. If you want to come in Vanuatu, you'll see green.
Yeah.
You'll see the grow. You'll see the healthy.
Yeah.
As soon as you reach the land, be careful of your food.
Balaka.
You might grow.
Whoa.
Due to the fertility of the land.
And how come your body always rangosa?
Because Rangosa comes towards the sunlight.
Oh.
Yeah. There is an outer space
Yeah.
that's enable to
Ecosystem.
photosynthesis.
I thought the rangosa from the birdland. No way.
Ano ba may manggara ili randuba ano ba may manggara tapi udi para binaka o ko imbila
Iyo.
puro dolo binariki es dalla saga ano binaka oh sabi sa may iraki
Dombulan, Exa.
mataka binaka
Hey.
kuwa
Debs,
Yeah.
just ask for one gun.
Fogan.
Yeah, for you. Iraqi gun.
yeah
Adoro binariki ko imbila and
Alright.
also to the bana tumengo be lewa butu. Who's lewa butu?
Huh?
Lewa butu. Good morning to
Look for it.
to the driver from Netherlands coming this morning. Good morning to everyone. To lewa lasi.
simri bang star rotsko ko bakanana lu
Iyo.
mika
Iyo.
ditu ko no ndebesi
Right.
evergreen to bono lebu todo ko
Sinrawa.
Uti ko ngai ratsingo
Iyo.
like the
Rangosa.
balam
Matawindri kay
Yeah.
Big ears.
Bigyan siguro na nakala kabata. Wais narusa boleh binaka from Sirmits, Australia, from
Alright.
Melbourne.
Yeah.
Good morning to the Nangumu. Joining from Maduata now.
okay
Yeah.
Orang cuma nak kata, lebih nak kata orang bulu tu kan lebih korang kata.
Iyo.
Lebih tunggu, kau nak posa ya?
Iyo.
Kasus sumanrai.
Sumaray.
Iya. Sono dun rubaka.
Right.
Saya kena kandina.
Yeah.
Demi si red na ko kasama kami susuman rico.
Iya, orang kau skandalus tal
Mana
lokor.
ribiti?
Orang kau kiri kemuni
Mai.
demesi. Abo betul kita kau bulu mana kor.
Right.
Na wale di company.
Right.
Ebi tadi wale. How many style
Right.
to combat the bunyi?
Right.
I got the style.
Oi! Crystal to climb the coconut tree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One
Yeah.
is a chest to trunk.
Oi.
Membombu mukibuna.
Right.
Tolong
Right.
That's one.
Iya.
Another one,
Second style of climb.
the leg.
Iya. Ni
Dale.
apa kau?
Leg and hand.
Demesi has got three style.
Iyo.
Okay. Misalnya tahu jadi kau Demesi what? Demesi three style. Okay.
This is the style.
Iya, three style.
Iyo.
First style.
First style.
For style,
Yeah.
the
trunk.
chest to trunk.
Right.
The second style
Iyo.
is the foot
Iyo.
Iya.
and hand, both on the
Right. Combination.
no chest.
No chest.
Oh, no chest.
And then
Foot and hand combination.
yeah.
All right.
And another third one
The foot goes
is a
first.
clothes.
Oh, the cloth shoe ya?
Yeah. No.
Oi.
Mo nabibisuka na ba mo na shoot.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's only the style I know while climbing coconut tree.
Them messy the style, boy.
When come down from the tree,
Okay. That's when you climb up, eh?
Yeah.
When you climb up. When you go to come down, How many style you got?
That's one style, the sliding style.
Like the moko.
Ako na ba sisi singamay.
Oh,
And be careful
Yeah.
of the tongue that you cut for stepping. That,
Okay.
that will contribute to the side effect.
Okay.
I thought you're gonna come down like one moko.
Nope.
Okay. Alright. Ano ba kapan? Mustafa Soro Bagarua.
Bula.
Sama cukup mana matari ko.
Right.
I three style.
Tristan, yo.
Ano mataka di ko?
Iya.
Okay, out of the three style.
Iya. So which one is the best?
Which one is the best?
The best one is
And the first one.
Yeah.
the chest one.
Oi.
Why?
The chest one because you
Very first.
tight, eh?
Yeah.
Oi, tight.
You hold tight.
Yeah.
You hug the trunk like this tight.
Yeah.
Will be good for you because you'll never fall easily.
Oh,
Oi.
sometimes tol coconut tree ada thing windy.
Yeah. Windy and also to the there's one and another one. There's two side effect. One is the bees,
Here.
three,
Here.
bees,
Yeah.
the rat.
Oi.
They up in there. They come down. Some of us we are afraid of that, eh?
Yeah.
And we surrender.
Right.
And another one is
Moko.
Mimi Mata.
Oi, Mimi Mata.
Oh, the green one.
The green one. The
What's that
tall-
name in English? That Mimi Mata.
Peace, peace.
Yeah.
That one can
Affect.
watering your eye damage.
Iyo.
Can cause you blind.
Sajin.
That small animal,
Yeah.
small insect.
Okay.
Tristan.
Yeah. Okay. That's the fastest one, eh?
Right.
Okay, the hardest one.
Hardest one.
Hardest style.
Out of your three style.
Oh, hardest style is for me.
Yeah.
Isa hand to two. Na numunganga lo mati kena sengay. Na apa mo kinalingam. Na nalag.
Iyo.
Yeah.
Ito ko naman ko, nagras mo pa.
Iyo, Tristan.
Carry on.
Kailan?
Robert Mades, mula binaka. Kaya ko,
Bulan.
mula binaka.
Okay.
That's the hardest one, the tough one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, you don't use your hip to trunk sometimes?
For hip what?
To climb up?
No, hip is very dangerous. You only can use hip when you are coming down.
Yeah.
You are 5 meters away from the ground.
Yeah.
If you set from up top,
Iya.
you're gonna saturate it enough with the whole body. You're gonna lose weight. You'll need herbal medicine,
Right.
and you'll need to church before climbing.
When you in one coconut tree, you can go to another one.
Yeah, that's coming when the.
Sometimes when it's 10 meters apart.
10 minutes about it.
Yeah.
You can.
Sometime, eh? But we need bucket of water ready. Tinta na matabi masi.
Okay, this one, the one listener suggesting you just jump down.
Jump down, yeah.
No.
Okay. Okay, what's yung tarong ko in the message?
Three style.
Yeah, Mr. Three style.
Mr. Tristan.
When is the best time to climb a coconut tree?
Best.
Okay, I'll give you the question.
Every day.
The follow-up question ko.
Mm.
In the morning, midday, afternoon,
Yeah.
ndaki binaka, senda kita.
The hardest part of climbing tree is the midday.
Yeah.
There's only two types of
Of what?
of bed days.
Wala si Mohili.
Yeah.
Windy sa tungaka pa.
Kuno ilia, hindi sa ito nga ka ba?
Kasi nga nang nitang ilaba.
Ngunit ang ilang may tumutaw. Nangon ren doon ni kamambuya.
Yeah.
Nangon sila bututu me katakatukin na singa me.
Mama.
Kandaw sisi sinabuniniw.
Right.
And another one,
Yeah.
baka me miri na uda.
Mirror.
Yeah.
Mimiri nga eh.
Yeah, me miri. O tiya mo kasi sangka mo tundo sisi sara.
Oh.
Yeah.
Right.
Dapat
But
be,
good.
sisi
But
sekas
good.
kasa.
Yeah.
But good fidgetol.
Huh?
But good fidgetol. That breed, eh?
Yeah.
Breed fidgetol is very good, even though it's tall.
Yeah.
But the trunk is very good enough, eh?
Okay.
But the hybrid one,
Yeah.
this one, the trunk is very bigger.
Yeah.
It's hard to hold like this.
Yeah. Okay.
You want
Last one.
the big one or the small one?
The longest coconut tree
Yeah.
in Wanunu you ever climbed. How long? How tall?
25 meter.
Oi.
Oh. I thought 60 meter, 80 meter.
80 meter ko resiwiti.
Only
Yeah,
25.
that's and another one I don't know why I didn't mess, huh?
Yeah.
maybe the oldest coconut tree in the village
Oi.
doesn't bear fruit. Okay, misalnya tinanongan di buah.
Right.
And we do one competition in the village. No, just you know what?
Yeah.
Joseph can climb that tree,
Yeah.
that coconut tree.
Right.
And everybody, okay, I can.
Freestyle too, Ken.
Just go up,
Yeah.
touch the lips,
Yeah.
come down.
Come back.
I don't know.
Volunteer.
You know,
Yeah.
I don't know some mentality coming in it.
Ako tayo mo kamba ni may kumay tumbas.
Iya.
Mustafa sorbo borwa. Kanto ko may buka. Yung so ko kera be no kanto gori.
Iya.
Meg boro gris na tolo ni bunyo men gain rasita ko.
Rabodi.
Iya.
Ani ngai lesu mena kampung ini udah nomital de total kali talan de bola tambola sarusa.
Melutang ngoko ya?
Iya.
Atau ni rano masis.
Kenapa le BSP betul pujas.
Ya sahib. Benar-benar sara ili ratuba benar kai tabi uning.
Iya.
Kapan di benar-benar sara Jor Kumar
Kalau nggak
sau benar-benar sara.
Nanu mo tiko lights.
Da apa benar-benar tak kalau nggak tadi main tapi toko bikin dan tunggu freestyle.
Mr. Freestyle.
Mr. Freestyle.
Anjira.
Iya. Nama tangga benar kai dai.
Iya.
Robert Mathias Grasshopper. Kalau di benar tidi kia kini timakola. Kok telangu siapa cukup mai bono lewu?
Samoa. Iyo.
Talo falava.
Itu asota. Tu asota.
Oh, udah mesti salu style nokor.
Rima dalu sinta rawa.
Bukan bilang ke karla ini.
Iya.
Virsila Mitchell. Karla ini wangga ta bilai.
Belum nakal.
Sama tiku.
Right.
Ada pun bitar rong yang nasi ko binang ini.
Isa binawali urangone.
Ano ni binaka?
Tok na bitoko ni bikin
Ano
tadi
ni binaka?
tumbo
Ano ni
binaka.
Iya.
Kalau binang ko ngayon nasi ko sa village school may mba.
Tokbula.
Ano binaka matgaling
Right.
sa South.
Right.
Nita kinawana na betul bitokan ni Wise na Rusa.
Uh-huh.
Na si the mid staff may Australia may Malibani.
Right.
Lubi kita sa raman bisi urura.
Iya.
Kita sa lomo tadi pang bimbi, nita kina maruta kinang karabital.
Mhm.
Ada berapa bang ni sabat cuma kina. Sana indron lagi may sana gore. Simeone right buhay. Pag nilibina kaya na matali kuha.
Kalau
Kalau
kata-
sar na bi sa mati ulimay.
Right.
Apa rata si Mosi bibina boleh besar bi balasay. Paula buku di singa.
Sa.
Boleh na turang.
Nawala sa
Like, siya
BSP unsecured personal loan. What the punches na bito kon Chico, the proud sponsors of the
Fijen Roa.
Si Max Piboa. Boleh na katobata. Eh kok
Peksaw.
mundo.
ya umi kan galo bola.
Engo Dems.